high-res grid photo function is all about efficiency. With one shot, you can get an overall picture and several zoomed photos for details.
To use the high-res grid photo function, take off the aircraft safely and keep it hovering. Enter the wide camera view, aim the target, and choose high-res grid mode. You can set the target area by editing the white grid on the screen. The number of zoomed photos will be calculated automatically. Do not move the aircraft or gimbal while taking the photo. After finishing, you can tap playback and find the high-res grid photo with its icon. The wide-angle image will be displayed by default. Tap the high-res below to see the set of close-up images of the area.